Hi, I'm Cheryl Thornton, professional storyteller and co-owner of Storyvalues. I've been presenting interactive educational storytelling programs in Ontario schools for the past 20 years. A lot of folk tales from all over the world.
We have students who are from basically all cultures of the world. The storytelling is a really great way, a fun way for the kids to be able to sort of connect with not only their own culture, but other cultures.
My interactive storytelling assemblies bring the tradition of storytelling to schools, featuring classic folktales from around the world, presented in a way that enables students to help bring the stories to life through drama.
As soon as you start banging on the drum, everyone, they're ready for a story. And so they're working on their listening skills, a very important skill to have. So they're listening, and I can see that they're thinking about the stories you're telling them.
It's no secret that children love stories. Through my interactive assemblies, children engage with imaginative characters, become familiar with models of heroism, use their creative problem-solving skills, and learn about the positive values that people of every culture share.
I would love all of my kids to have access to this wonderful program. Honestly, it would be great, from kindergarten to grade 6 to have little mini, Cheryl Thorntons. It would be lovely because I totally see the value.
I'm thrilled to be able to perform live in schools once again. Listed here are some of my assembly options. Call now to book a session. I look forward to having the opportunity to bring the wonderful, creative world of interactive storytelling to your school.